Hello and welcome back to KM Webworks. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video, I will tell you about Judgeme plugin, which was a review plugin in WordPress. But the Judgeme plugin is discontinued for WordPress, so we will see how we can migrate the Judgeme reviews to any other plugin that is similar to Judgeme. It was such a great plugin for WordPress and Shopify as well. They have discontinued the support for WordPress and are working only on Shopify. So here you can see, if we scroll and here we see this page for this support. Here you can see that this plugin is showing on the directly, but there is no download button for the plugin. So here you can see the plugin has been closed as of August 13 and is not available for download. So we will see how we can migrate these reviews to a new plugin very easily. Now we will have to go to the dashboard, and the plugin that I have found that is similar to this one and offers the Judgeme plugin reviews migration as well. The plugin is called Review X. So here just type like this, Review X, and this is the plugin. You can install it. You will need to move your reviews to this new plugin, because as the plugin is not available now, you will face issues with the plugin if you already have that installed, and it will also be vulnerable for security as well. So make sure to install this new plugin and migrate your reviews to a new plugin to keep your website safe. So here you can see, when you will install, it will say Judge Me Detected. And now just complete the setup for this plugin. If you want to allow the photo review, click on enable, and if you want to send auto review request, enable it. And here you can select the days after, like how many days the review request should be sent. So I will select like 3 days after completed. Click on continue, and here just create a free account and enter any email and the password. So here I have entered that. I will click on sign up. So now the plugin is installed and configured. Here you will see that there are currently 0 reviews because you have not migrated the reviews yet. It will sync the reviews, so you just need to wait a little bit. Now here on the left side you will see Judge Me migration. Just click on that. This option will only show when you will have the Judge Me plugin installed. So I can see the option because I have the Judge Me plugin installed and I want to migrate the reviews. Here you will see this button, Start Auto Import. Just click on it and the import is in progress. You can see total reviews 34 that were in Judge Me, and now it is importing the reviews to Review X app. And here you can see that the import is completed. 34 total reviews and all of them are imported, and the reviews are synced as well. So now let's go to reviews again over here. Here you can see currently it is showing 0. So if it is showing 0, do not worry about that. Just go to products and here you will go to reviews. Here you can see that all of the 30 reviews are imported. 4 of them are not showing here because they were store reviews and are not the product reviews. So now let's scroll and go to plugins. Click on install plugin. So when you activate this new plugin ReviewX, then it does the synchronization. So you need to do the synchronization again so that they start showing in the ReviewX plugin. For that, just click on deactivate this plugin, and now just click on activate again, and now go to reviews, and here you can see that synchronization is being done again. Some are started to show already, so just wait for the synchronization. Here you can see that all 30 of them are now showing in the ReviewX, but we still need to configure them on the front end. Now we need to go to plugins and we can deactivate the previous plugin that was Judge Me. So let me just deactivate. I will refresh the website. Now let me just scroll. Here you can see these shortcodes are not working now. Also on the product page, we will need to configure the reviews because they are not showing over here and also below the products. So for that we will have to go to Google and we will search Review X, and we will have to go to their documentation. So here is the documentation, we can open it. So the reviews are imported and now using these short codes, and the Elementor widgets. You can display them on the front end anywhere you want. So that's it for this video. If you have any question or need any help, just let me know in the comment section. You can also contact me through my website. My contact details are provided in the description of the video. So that's it for this video. See you next time.